Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kendall, local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the help you need for your long-distance move means you need the right moving company. When you hire 3 movers, you get more than just a team to transport your items. Here's some of the other things we can do for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire local movers in Florida may not seem like an affordable option at first. However, as you look at the pros and cons, the cost can be easier to rationalize. You'll gain several benefits, including plenty of time to handle other aspects of your move. Professional movers can also take the heavy lifting off your plate and ensure your items are packed properly for transport. At 3 Movers, we have a professional team trained and dedicated to speeding up the moving process. You can get settled into your new home or office much faster when you hire the right local movers. It might take you several days to pack up and move. We can get it done for you in a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kendall moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.